What if I told you that a single hair, a bloody footprint, or the position of a lamp could help crack a murder case? In today's video, you'll learn exactly how real forensic experts analyze a crime scene, step by step. This isn't just TV drama, it's the science that solves real crimes. Step 1. Securing the scene. The first thing detectives do is to lock it down the crime scene. Before a single photo is taken, they tape off the area to prevent contamination. No one touches anything unless authorized. A real example can be seen in the case of Meredith Kircher's murder, Amanda Knox case, where multiple people walked through the crime scene before it was secured. This major blunder destroyed key evidence and caused years of confusion for investigators. Step 2. The walkthrough. At this point, the lead investigator does a slow, methodical walk through the crime scene. No touching yet. As a forensic expert, this is where you take mental notes of visible evidence, signs of struggle, blood trails, broken items, or what's missing. We can see a real example in the Laci Peterson case. Early walkthroughs noted muddy footprints and a missing anchor, clues that later supported the case against Scott Peterson. Step 3. Documenting the scene. This is the stage where the forensic team documents everything. Photos is taken from every angle, video recordings are made, sketches are done, and written notes are taken. This thorough process ensures there's a full visual record before anything gets moved. Due to technological advancement today, crime scene units often use 3D laser scanners to create digital recreations. A real example of this would be the case of the Boston Marathon bombing. Investigators used digital footage and photos to recreate the scene down to the second. Step 4. Collecting evidence. This is the time where you bag and tag every notable evidence on the crime scene. As a proficient investigator, you're expected to collect fingerprints, fibers, bodily fluids, weapons, and trace evidence with extreme care. A real example of this would be the Casey Anthony case, where hair samples from the trunk of her car were used to support the theory that a body had been stored there. Step 5. Chain of custody. At this point of the forensic analysis, every piece of evidence is logged. Investigators clearly keep record or track of who found the evidence, who transported it, and who analyzed it. If this chain breaks, evidence can be thrown out in court. A real example of this scenario would be the JonBenet Ramsey case. The failure to control access to the house and properly track evidence contributed to the case going cold for decades. Real case example number 1 is the JonBenet Ramsey murder investigation. This 6-year-old beauty queen was found murdered in her family's basement in 1996. Key mistakes included letting family members move around the house. There was no immediate search of the full home. There was poor preservation of the ransom note. These errors likely compromised vital forensic evidence. Real case example. Number 2 is the O.J. Simpson glove evidence. One of the most iconic forensic blunders was the bloody glove found at O.J. Simpson's estate. The glove was mishandled and improperly stored. As if these blunders weren't enough, the prosecutor asked O.J. to try it on in court. His famous line, "If it doesn't fit, you must acquit," came from this moment, highlighting how badly presented evidence can sway a jury. There are a lot of mistakes that can occur at a crime scene, but the most common mistakes include 1. Touching or moving the body too soon. 2. Not wearing gloves. 3. Failing to take weather into account. Weather like rain can destroy blood evidence. 4. Letting media too close to the crime scene too fast. Crime scene analysis is about precision, patience, and process. Every item, every stain, every object tells a story. Forensic experts are storytellers. They just read clues instead of words. If you like this breakdown and want more real-life cases explained step by step, hit subscribe and comment your favorite true crime case below.